In today's lesson, we'll explore Make Your Data Speak, Charts in Excel. Introduction to Charts in Excel. In MS Excel 2019, charts and diagrams are powerful tools that help us display trends, averages, highs, lows, and much more. They not only improve the visual appeal of your worksheets, but also serve an important purpose. Charts make it easier for your audience to sort through, understand, and analyze data in a clear and effective way. What is a chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data. Information in a chart is displayed using symbols such as bars in a bar chart, lines in a line chart, slices in a pie chart. Charts help present numerical, functional, or qualitative data in a visually meaningful way, making it easier to study and understand information at a glance. 2D and 3D charts. A 2D chart uses two axes, the x-axis, which is horizontal, and the y-axis, which is vertical. Data points are plotted using x and y coordinates. Some charts can be three-dimensional. These charts include a third axis called the z-axis, which represents an additional variable. In 3D charts, data is plotted using x, y, and z coordinates, allowing for a more detailed and complex visualization of information. Components of a chart in Microsoft Excel 2019. A chart in Microsoft Excel is made up of several important components. Each part plays a special role in presenting data clearly and accurately. Let's look at the key components of a simple chart. Data series. A data series is a group of data points plotted on the chart. It usually comes from a single row or column in the worksheet and may be shown using bars, lines, or other symbols. X-axis, or category axis. The x-axis is the horizontal axis. It displays categories or labels such as names, months, or groups. Y-axis, or value axis. The y-axis is the vertical axis. It represents numerical values like scores, quantities, or amounts. Chart title. The chart title appears at the top of the chart. It gives a brief description of what the chart is about. Axis titles. Axis titles describe the type of data shown on each axis. They can be added to the x-axis, y-axis, and even the z-axis in 3D charts. Chart area. The chart area is the complete space occupied by the chart. It includes the plot area, title, legend, and labels. Plot area. The plot area is where the actual data is displayed. It is enclosed by the axes and contains bars, columns, lines, or points. Legend. Legend helps identify different data series. It uses colors or patterns to make each series easy to recognize. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines across the plot area. They help in reading and comparing values accurately. Data labels. Data labels show exact values for individual data points, such as numbers on bars or slices. Example, column chart. Let's look at a column chart showing marks obtained by students in an annual examination. Each bar represents a student's marks. The chart includes a title at the top, student names on the x-axis, marks on the y-axis, and data labels showing exact scores. If marks from multiple subjects are shown, a legend helps identify each subject. Types of charts in Microsoft Excel 2019. Some commonly used charts in Excel include column chart, line chart, donut chart, scatter chart or XY chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart, combo chart. Column chart. A column chart is ideal for comparing values among different categories or showing changes over time. Categories appear along the x-axis and values are plotted on the y-axis. Column charts make comparisons clear and easy. For example, marks obtained by students in different subjects can be shown effectively using a column chart. Line chart. A line chart is perfect for showing trends over time. The x-axis represents time or categories, while the y-axis shows numerical values. Line charts are also useful for comparing trends across multiple data series. Pie chart. A pie chart displays data in a circular form divided into slices. Each slice represents a percentage or proportion of the whole. A pie chart can show only one data series at a time, making it ideal for showing how parts make up a complete set. Bar chart. A bar chart compares values using horizontal bars. Categories are shown on the vertical axis, while values appear on the horizontal axis. It is essentially a column chart turned sideways and is available in both 2D and 3D formats. Area chart. An area chart is similar to a line chart, but the area below the line is filled with color. It highlights both the trend and the total volume of data, making it useful for showing figures like sales or production. Scatter chart, or XY chart. A scatter chart displays the relationship between two variables. Each point represents a pair of values. Scatter charts help identify patterns, trends, or correlations between datasets. Donut chart. A donut chart looks like a pie chart with a hole in the center. Unlike a pie chart, it can display multiple data series, with each series forming a separate ring. This makes it useful for comparing proportions across multiple datasets. Combo chart. A combo chart combines two different chart types, such as a column chart and a line chart, into one. This is helpful when working with data series that have different value ranges. Combo charts make complex data easier to understand and compare. Creating a chart in Excel. To create a chart in Excel, select the data you want to include, go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type from the Charts group. Excel will automatically generate the chart. Then you can customize it using chart styles. Modifying a chart. Once a chart is created, you can move or modify it easily. You can drag and drop the chart within the worksheet or move it to a new worksheet using the Move Chart option. Chart tools. When you select a chart, Chart tools appear on the ribbon with 3 tabs. Design tab, change chart type, styles, and location. Layout tab, add titles, labels, and visual elements. And Format tab, adjust styles, sizes, and effects. Copying a chart to Microsoft Word. To copy a chart from Excel to Word, select the chart, click Copy, open your Word document, click Paste, and the chart will appear, ready to move or resize. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing, keep exploring.